Alright, so this is a solution video. What you can see here, we are looking for side CB when we have 30° and the AB 12 centimeter. We know AB here is hypotenuse. We can label H. And the side that we are looking for is opposite from the angle 30° that we have. So we have O and H. O and H from SOHCAHTOA. O and H is sine. So it means that sine 30 equals CB, which is the opposite, and divide by 12 centimeter. So sine 30° is 0.5 multiplied by 12, we get the length of CB, which is 6. Okay, for question number 2, so you can see here, find the length of DF. DF is the hypotenuse, and the angle 60 here. The side that we have is next to it. It is adjacent to 60°. So combination of a adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. All right, so it means that cos 60 equal A over H. Adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse is DF, or label it here as H. And H will be 5 divided by cos 60. Cos 60 is 0.5. 5 divided by 0.5 is 10. So the length of the F is 10. Then the next question, use part A to find EF. If EF, now we have hypotenuse, we have 5 centimeter here. So EF we can use Pythagoras theorem, which is 10 square minus 5 square, square root of those. We get the length of EF, 8.66. Okay, so this question, we have OQ and QP, and we're looking for angle POQ. POQ is here, so the angle here, and this is the opposite, 6.4 opposite of the angle, and 9.5 is adjacent to the angle. So we have combination O and A that makes tangent. So tangent angle is opposite over adjacent, 6.4 over 9.5. We can find angle by using a mode on a calculator. Shift tangent 6.4 divided by 9.5, and we get 33.97 degree. And what is the size of OPQ? So we know this is right angle triangle, 180, 90 is here, and combination of angle theta here, and the other one is 90. So that makes 90 minus 33.97, 56.03. For this question, CAB, so we are looking for this angle, and we have this opposite side 4 centimeter and adjacent side 7 centimeter. Again, we use tangent angle equal 4 over 7, opposite over adjacent, and shift tangent 4 over 7, 29.741 in 2 decimal places, 21.74. And the other angle, of course, 90 minus 29.74, 60.26. Okay, Pythagoras theorem to find AC. What is that? 7 square plus 4 square, square root. You can get sine angle, opposite is 4. Hypotenuse, we don't know, as we already have the angle here, 29.74. Use that. Okay, so there's one more question. Find the side length AC using trig. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we can use a Pythagoras theorem. That's what happened, 8.06. I also tried using sine angle opposite hypotenuse. So that makes 20, what is that? Opposite is 4 divided by 29.74, 8.06. So 8.06 is same answer. Of course, it has to be same with the other method. Okay, and there's one looking for AC, diagonal AC. Diagonal here is the Pythagoras, the hypotenuse. Angle here, hypotenuse here. We have the side next to the angle that is adjacent. Okay, adjacent and hypotenuse. So SOHCAHTOA, cos. Alright, ka is H. So cos 42 equal adjacent 5 over AC hypotenuse. To get AC, we swap before cos 42. So that makes 5 divided by cos 42, 6.73 centimeter. This is not a degree, okay? So let's erase this. All right. And so this one, use part A to find length of DC. Length of DC, we have hypotenuse 6.73. We have one of the side, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. 6.73 square minus 5 square. Square root of those, we get 4.50. Okay, right, so this is the last question. Okay, find the line ON. So we want to find ON a bit here. So we know the full stretch is 12 meter, but we do not know the OM. So if we can get the OM, we can subtract from 12 and we can get the a bit here, which is ON that we are looking for. So this is a nice triangle, right angle triangle here. So we can use opposite from the angle 49.5. This is the opposite and we have adjacent. It's OA. OA means tangent. So tangent 49.5 is opposite, which is OM. I label OM here, divide by 6.5. So to get OM, so 6.5 multiplied by tangent 49.5, we get 7.61. So it means this stretch, OM is 7.61. And we can get the balance from 12 to get this bit ON. So 12 minus 7.61, it is 4.39 meter. Okay, that is ON. So now, next question, we will find size of angle OLN. So we want a bit here. We know this is 49.5. If we can get the whole angle here, and we subtract from 49.5, we can get just OLN, like the questions one here. So the full stretch, full triangle, the NM is 12 and 6.5, similar. So we can use tangent of the angle, which is opposite 12 meter, divided by 6.5 meter. So shift tangent 12 divided by 6.5, we get 61.6. 61.6 is the whole stretch here. So 61.6 subtract with 49.5, we get 12.1. That is OLN, a bit angle here. Okay.